Ai Hoshino was the original titular character and the poster child of Oshinoko. She was the lead idol of the original Bikomachi and mother of Aqua and Rui. As an idol, she lived a life of deceit by pretending to genuinely love her fans. After becoming pregnant with the twins, to not squander her reputation, she gave birth and raised them in secret, playing the role of both idol and mother. However, her life inevitably caught up with her when she was fatally attacked by disgruntled fans, using her final moment to tell her children that she loved them. Even after her death, her influence is felt throughout the remainder of the series, with her daughter crying on her legacy, while her son devoted his life to revenge against the one who sought her out, her ex-boyfriend. And personality. Ai's upbringing was defined by profound neglect and trauma. After her mother arose from death, I was placed in an orphanage, having survived an abusive household where she was physically beaten and subjected to her mother's jealous cruelty. This experience left her with a deep emotional void and a total lack of a blueprint for healthy relationship. However, this hostile environment also fostered a unique set of survival instincts. Through she lacked formal education and expressed clumsy. I presented an intuitive, strategic intelligence. This allowed her to navigate the cutthroat entertainment industry far effectively than the adult around her. Initially, I was a timid and asocial girl who pivot to work with apparent detection, which occurred by Ichigo Saito. She brought up her inability to love, but she was deeply true to his idea that living is a form of love. This concept format her philosophy. I used pathological began as a scaffold to build her career. Viewers her idol person as Ali that she hopes would one day become a reality. She was also an intensely calculated professional. She meticulously reviewed her attacks, her ex, even using the genuinely joy she felt for her children to fix a smile that fans and critics as fake. Yet, because of her own broken upbringing, she presented an organic, raw, and universal empathy for the loneliness of others. Because she viewed or we ago, she recognized their isolation perfectly, yet she remained socially isolated. Her maintenance no close friendship even with her own group Bikomachi. This began to change when she met Hikaru Kamiki. The two bonded over their hair max and I began to adopt a more feminine, girly demeanor, reduction her self-destructive tendencies. This newfound ability led her to recklessly pursue a secret life as a mother while maintaining her high-profile idol career. Despite the immense risks, she remained physically resilient and confident through, throughout her pregnancy. However, motherhood presented a different psychological challenge. While she was a devoted mother who delighted in her twins' growth, she was terrified of telling them "I love you." She feared that if those words were released, she would be irredeemably disingenuous toward the only people she truly cared for. Herself erasing Kingdom's Smith, she was prophetly fine been treated poorly, received treated by, or being taken advantage of as long as the people she cared about were happy. Ai's true character was fully realized in her final moment after being stabbed by a fan. Ryosuke strikingly she felt on no anger toward her killers. Instead, her superior intelligence and true self manifested as absolute empathy. She forgave Ryosuke, recognizing his victim of the extreme loneliness that plagued her. Even by the very least, she felt responsible for, even as she bled out. Her professional responsibility remained at the forefront as she lamented her cancelled performance. It was only in the final moment, while expression played in her children's futures, that I finally realized her feelings were not Ali. She passed away having finally achieved her lifelong goal, finding a love for Aqua and Robbie that was genuinely pure and free from desert. Thank you for watching.